Good morning, kids! Welcome back again to our online program from American Bridge International School with teacher Samdy. Alright, everyone, how do you feel this morning? Feel good? Did you have breakfast already? Already, right? Okay, great job. So right now, sit properly and study online with teacher together. Okay, so can you tell teacher what day is today? Correct! Today is Friday! Are you happy when you hear Friday, everyone? Okay, great job. Alright, today is Friday, the last day of the week that we study, right? Okay, great job. Alright, so today is Friday. What about the months? What is the month, everyone? Yes, the month is October. The date is 22nd and the year is 2021. What about yesterday? What day was yesterday, everyone? Alright, yesterday was Thursday. Okay, Thursday. So with our Friday class, we always study about our jungle phonics for the first session and my first letter in the second session, right? Great job, everyone. And today class, we're gonna continue our lesson from yesterday lesson. And what did we learn about our jungle phonics yesterday, everyone? Correct, we have learned about one sound. What sound was it, everyone? Yes, it was about the sound H, okay, H, H, okay, H, H, okay, we already learned about the sound H from letter H on page 32, right? Okay, who remember how many words that we learned from our sound H? Great job, you are right, there were 3 words. Okay, what were they, everyone? Yes, they were hippo, hen, and also hat. And do you remember about the spelling of them, everyone? Okay, great job. So right now, please look at our whiteboard and see the picture of them together. Okay, let's tell teacher, what is this picture, everyone? What is this? Correct, this is a hippo. Hippo, hippo. So everyone, right now, please spell the word hippo for teacher. Great job, you spell correctly, everyone. Hippo, H-I-P-P-O, hippo, hippo. Excellent, everyone, you remember well. Okay, hippo, hippo. What about the second picture? What is this, everyone? What is this? Yes, correct. This is a hen. This is a hen. Hen. Okay, together, please spell the word hen. Great job. You spell correctly. Hen. H-E-N. Hen. Hen. Wow, excellent, everyone. What about the last picture? What is this? Yes, you are right. This is a hat. 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 Okay, everyone, please spell the word hat together. Well done. You spell correctly, everyone. Hat. H-A-T. Hat. Hat. Wow. Clap your hands for yourself. Everyone, you are so clever. Alright, so we already finished reviewing our 3 words of the sound H, right? Okay, so right now teacher want you to open your jungle phonics textbook on page 32 again and listen to our audio track together. Everyone, now enjoy listening.
Track 34. Listen, point, and repeat.
H, H, H.
H, H, H.
H, H, hen.
H, H, hen.
H, H, hat.
H, H, hat.
H, H, hippo.
H, H, hippo. Track 35. Chant along.
H. Hen. Hen. H. Hat. Hat. H. Hippo. Hippo. Hen. Hen. Hat. Hat. Hippo. Hippo. Hen. Hen. Hat. Hat. Hippo. Hippo.
Great job, everyone! How do you feel after finish listening to our audio track? Okay, did you repeat after them, everyone? Alright, great job. So, right now, please look at our whiteboard together. Okay, can you see here, everyone? Okay, so we have some missing letter with our 3 words, right? Okay, now everyone please tell teacher one by one with our missing letter. Okay, the first one here, what is this, everyone? Correct, this is a hippo. Hippo, but what is the missing letter over here? What, everyone? Yes, correct. The missing letter is letter what? Yes, correct. Letter I. So now we're gonna write letter I to complete our hippo. Okay, so this is a hippo. Hippo. Wow, good job, everyone. Alright, what about the second one? What is this? Yes, correct. This is a hat. Hat. But what is the missing letter with the word hat, everyone? What is the missing letter? Great job, you're right. The missing letter is letter H. Okay, hat. So now we write letter H to complete our hat. Excellent. Okay, great job. What about the last one? The last one, what is this? Hand, correct. Hand. But what is the missing letter of the word hand? What the letter? Great job. Letter E. So now we're gonna write letter E to complete our hand. Hand. Wow, excellent, everyone. So now read one more time. 1, hippo, correct. 2, hat. Okay, the last one, hand. Wow, excellent, everyone. You're so clever. So right now, teacher wants you to open your Jungle Phonics textbook again on page 33. Okay, so here is the first exercise of page 33. So what are we going to do with this exercise, everyone? Yes, correct. We need to say circle and write. Say circle and write. Say the picture here. After that, circle the correct sound and write its letter, right? Okay, tell teacher number 1. What is this, everyone? What is the picture of number 1? Yes, correct. Number 1 is a girl. Okay, this is a girl. Girl. Okay, what is the sound of girl? Great job. Sound G. G. What is the letter of sound G? Letter G. You are right. Okay, good. What about the second one? What is the picture of the second one, everyone? Correct. Hippo. This is a hippo. Hippo. What about the last picture? Hand. Correct. The last picture is hand. Number 3 is hand. So right now, teacher give you 1 minute to do this exercise. Say the picture, circle the correct sound, and write its letter. Everyone, now enjoy doing. Ready, everyone? Okay, show me your answer, please. Wow, great job, everyone. You're so clever. Okay, all right, now let's correct them with teacher. Number 1 is girl. The sound of girl is G sound. So now we circle letter G and write, yes, letter G. Okay, great job, everyone. What about the second one? Yes, the second one is hippo. The sound of hippo is H sound with letter H. So now we circle letter H and write letter H here. Okay, excellent, everyone. Okay, what about the last one? hand. Okay, the sound of hand is H. Okay, letter H again. Now we circle letter H and write letter A. Wow, excellent everyone. Now we finish our first exercise on page 33. So now let's move to the second exercise below this exercise together. Okay, so here is the second exercise that we need to do. So in this exercise we need to listen, circle and write. Listen to our audio track series and after that circle the correct picture and write it word. Okay, can you do it everyone? Alright, now enjoy listening and doing this exercise together.
Track 36. Listen, circle, and write.
1. Hat. 2. Gorilla.
Excellent everyone, do you get all the answer? Wow, great job. Alright, now teacher gonna show my answer as well. Okay, teacher also complete this exercise. Okay, is it correct to yours everyone? Alright, excellent. Okay, so right now we're gonna finish our both exercise on page 33. Alright everyone, thank you so much for your work hard. So our first session is finished. See you guys in the second session with our My First Letter subject. Bye bye everyone.